Alright, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. In my video today I will give you introduction to OpenBOM integrations and how OpenBOM allows you to import and manage CAD data with OpenBOM. So let's get started. So you are getting to OpenBOM in a dashboard and you can import data to OpenBOM directly through the out-of-the-box import, BOM and catalog functions. Those functions will give you to import data from spreadsheets and Google Sheets. It's super powerful. It's out of the box. Any data that you have in your spreadsheet can be imported in the OpenBOM, but today I will focus on a function that allows you to integrate and bring your data directly from CAD system. So let's move to SolidWorks. First, OpenBOM allows you to manage all SolidWorks files using OpenBOM Drive. So OpenBOM Drive, it's a virtual drive. It's a PDM system that allows you to manage all these files and get access to them through the simple user interface, which can be integrated in the browser file explorer. So you can get access to this virtual drive as you can see it. And all functions that you need here, check in, check out, and other functions are available, sharing files. You're getting access to these files. You can manage all these files. You can also access these files from the browser. So if we are in our dashboard in OpenBOM, you can navigate to those files through the OpenBOM Drive dashboard. And this Drive dashboard will give you access to the same files as you can access them in the File Explorer. So you can see these files on the File Explorer, and I can get the same access to the same files through the dashboard in OpenBOM Drive, which allows you again access to the versions and access to 3D viewer. So those are embedded OpenBOM functions and available through the OpenBOM 3D viewer in OpenBOM Drive. Now let's move back to my SolidWorks environment. As we get the access to the files, OpenBOM provides an integration that allows you to capture information from SolidWorks and many other CAD systems in a very intelligent form. So after quick settings that you define what properties and what files and how it can be captured, you can use OpenBOM One-Click BOM function. It's literally single click, and once you click on this function, you will get OpenBOM extracting all information from SolidWorks, placing it on the cloud in OpenBOM platform, and allows you to access to all this information. And as you can see, we just got information about all assemblies and sub-assemblies and parts in your flashlight project that I just got in my SolidWorks. So you can see we get access to all assemblies, sub-assemblies, all images are exported. We converted files, we brought 2D PDF drawings, we brought step files. All this information is located together, and together with other OpenBOM functions, it allows you to calculate cost, to manage life cycle of this bill of materials. And at any moment of time, the data is updated in SolidWorks. You can always go and you can click on the BOM and bring these updates again and again and again. So all information will be merged. So if you will make any changes in the BOM, cost, you work in your team and collaborating together, the information from SolidWorks will be always updated. Now you can share data with anyone else, your contractor or suppliers, through the share functions. But if for some reasons your contractor or suppliers are still in the before cloud age, you can always export this information, and OpenBOM has a powerful export function. So for example, I will be exporting all attributes with all levels of the BOM together with files, put them in Excel, and I will create a single zip file that will include all this information. So you can see this is the zip file that I just exported, and the zip file has all these files and the bill of materials combined together in the single zip file. So it's super powerful, and you can communicate and collaborate with other people using this interface. So just to summarize, OpenBOM gives you powerful integration with a CAD system available for all CAD systems, and you can extract and manage this information in OpenBOM by single BOM, one BOM click function. All CAD files, if you work with desktop CAD systems like SolidWorks, can be managed and versioned on the OpenBOM Drive. And you will be able to collaborate in your team also for files and do collaborative engineering, and you also will be able to manage bill of materials and organize your product lifecycle, integrate with contractor suppliers, and manage purchasing and procurement. I will focus on this purchasing and procurement and inventory in my next video. So that's it for the moment. I hope you enjoyed and it was useful, and I will talk to you in the next video. Thank you very much. How can I switch it off?